Hello again, everybody. Welcome to the Breakaway SC box break. This is for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck Trilogy full display box break number 7. Here's the last thing up for auction. There's Edmonton. Just have a short announcement to make on our website, breakawaysc.com. We're doing a Sunday night showdown. It's a half case versus half case from a full case of Upper Deck Trilogy. So if you're interested, check us out. It's $42 a spot. It's a live draft, and any additional spots $40. And our grand prize, we're giving away a box of Rookie Anthology to one lucky member that participates in the break. So like I said, if you want to check us out, breakawaysc.com. We'll send out the link as well for this break in the email where you got the link to the box break number 7 for Trilogy. So there's still some spots available. And like I said, we're doing it live tomorrow night at 8 p.m. So in the box is any 199900839. That's any 199900839. But good luck, everybody. Got a Rookie Premier's level 1 hit for the Bruins of Dougie Hamilton. 55 at $6.99. Someone's calling the store. We have a Rookie Premier's level 1 card of Jonathan Huberdeau for the Panthers. 427 at $6.99. So far, 2 nice hits. We got a crystal hit for the Blackhawks of Patrick Kane. To finish off the first mini box. We have Rookie Premier's level 1 card for the Ducks of Emerson Edom. 426 at $6.99. And we got a signature pucks hit for the Bruins of Ryan Spooner.
We have a Star Spotlight National Trios card of Pavel Bure, Alex Ovechkin, and Evgeny Malkin. Randomized at the end between the Canucks, the Capitals, and the Penguins. And the last mini box. We got a Star Spotlight, Past, Present, and Future of Marian Gaborik, Zach Parise, and Charlie Coyle for the Wild. And we have a Rookie Premier's Level 2 hit for the Stars of Jamie Oleksiak, 104 and a 399. And the last pack. We got an Ice Grips hit for the Oilers of Taylor Hall. Nice hit to finish off the break. Taylor Hall Ice Grips. So let me just get the one random set up. 1 second, guys. So here we go, randomized it 3 times between Vancouver, Washington, and Pittsburgh. So good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. So that card goes to Washington. So congrats to Washington. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.